The Sales Commission Cost Centre 01.000 is going to be covered in this training module. So this is one of the first cost centres that we use, this one right here, the Sales Commission. So you can add this item by, you don't have this one open, you can add this item by clicking on the cost centre line and going to the binoculars, which loads the item search module for that cost centre. So this search module will only bring up items that have been set to open in this cost centre. If you want to view all items in the cost centre, you can clear the search criteria, and that will give you all items available in the entire catalogue. So to add that item into this bill of quantities, you can just click on the item and drag it across. This item is coloured in blue, which means that it is a sales estimating item. This means that it is not set up for a specific supplier. It is just set up as a default amount in the system. Currently, we only have one sales agent, so we have only got one description set up. We would alter this description and add the sales agent name or amount should we require varying different commission levels. But at the moment, that's fine. We've just got the one. So we've got a quantity of one, and this is just an allowance. So to get the unit price to come through, you just need to change the pricing level through to 1, which changes it to the estimating price level. Because we don't have a supplier set up, we just set it to the estimating level, and that will pull through the correct price. So that's all we need to do in Data Build. So the cost centre covers sales agents that sell the Lancon Standard Homes range to their clients on our behalf. This should be set to $30,000 on all Lancon Express jobs. A sales agent is an external consultant that works out of their own office for a number of different builders to get the best builder to build the product for their client. So different builders specialise in different areas of construction. So we are very good at building on complex sites with lots of retaining walls. We have very experienced supervisors who are able to build these sorts of products. So for a client in an inner city area who has a very steep block, we would be the best option for them. But we only build in the Brisbane CBD area. So we don't build out in country areas. So if a sales agent had a client with a house that they wanted built out at Toowoomba or down on the Gold Coast, we wouldn't be able to build that one for them. So that's why they use a few different builders so that they can find the best product out there. So the benefit for Lancon is that we don't actually have to spend any time with potential clients. We don't have to book appointments, handle meetings. They don't come into our office. We don't have to go through different plans with them. We don't have to do a lot of work to try and get in new clients. Sales agents tend to have portfolios, and they actually have directories of people currently looking for builders, or they will work regularly with different developers. So they'll actually have a lot of people out there already that they can talk to about our product. So they actually don't come into, we don't actually deal with them at Lancon until they come in and sign a contract with us. Sometimes we'll even print a contract out, and Andrew, one of our sales agents, will actually give that to them. So generally, they're just going to use the Lancon Standard Homes range. They only actually get 3 design changes. So this allows us to process their plans and actually price them much faster than a full custom home. So it's obviously good for us to get high volume of projects through, but also that they start much faster. So Some of our custom homes or townhouse projects can take a very long time with council to get approved. So it's very important that we do have a few different options there for us in terms of different products. Additionally, it does bring business to Elevate Design Studio, which is our sister company. They actually work out of the same office with us, so that's Steve and Andrew. We have a reciprocal agreement that they also refer clients who need a builder to us as well. So it works good for both of us. We both get clients and PR out of it. So currently we use a gentleman called Andrew Herbert as our sales agent, but we are actually looking up at setting up more in the future. So I just wanted to show you an example. This is actually Andrew's website. So he's got a fantastic website. It's got all his contact details. He already has news and blogs. He has a subscription service. You can also message him. He also uses a lot of additional resources and staff and sales funnels. So he does get a very good return on his clients. So that's very helpful to us to have someone who is specialised in actually selling homes. He's a very experienced sales agent, so we're very lucky to have him. So that commission of $30,000 is paid to him once the job has actually started on site. And we put this in all jobs. So even if Blake, the director of Lancon, is selling houses, he can use this as a discount to encourage a client, or he can actually use it as an additional profit on that project for us. So we do put that in all jobs, regardless of who the sales agent is.